Assalamualaikum grade 6. I am your maths teacher Varda. I hope students you are doing great. Students, we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 15, and the name of the chapter is volume. So let's move towards the board. So students, our chapter number 15 is about volume. हम इस चैप्टर में डिफरेंट शेप्स की वॉल्यूम्स को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, लेकिन उसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अ वॉल्यूम. Volume is the space which particular object occupies. Only 3D objects have volume. Each shape has specific number of face, vertices and edges. Exactly. Volume हमेशा 3D shapes की ही find out की जा सकती हैं. Volume क्या होता है? Actually, volume is the space which a particular objects take place. For example, we as a human, we also have a volume. We take a particular space. The things around you, if you look in the room, you have lots of things which are 3D in shapes and they occupy a space. They also require some sort of a volume. So now, before starting it, we should also know the properties of the 3D shape. So let's get started. Properties of 3D shape. 3D shape have face, vertices and edge. Face क्या होता है? For example, आपके सामने एक मैंने picture draw की है. This is about a cube. Cube has face, it has edges and it has vertices. If you're just going to look at it carefully, you can find faces over here. This is a flat surface. Face क्या होता है? A face is a flat or a curved surface of any 3D shape. आपके सामने एक ये face है, ये cube की shape है, जो इसकी front side है. This is called its face. This side is called its face. उसकी top पे और उसकी bottom पे, back and front. These are all known as its faces. Exactly. Now let's move toward the edge. Edge क्या होता है? An edge is where two face meet makes an edge. जहाँ पे आपके पास दो face meet करेंगे, this line makes an edge. यहाँ पे ये face और ये top का face meet करेगा, this is an edge. ये bottom और ये top, this is an edge. So edge is also a property of a 3D shape. Then comes the vertices. A vertex is a corner where the edges meet. वर्टेक्स एक कॉर्नर होता है जहां पे आपके एजेस मीट करते हैं, जहां पे फॉर एग्जांपल इसके शेप के ये वर्टेक्स है, कॉर्नर्स है, लाइक यहाँ पे आपके पास एक से ज्यादा एज मीट कर रहे हैं, 1, 2 and 3. यहाँ पे भी एक से ज्यादा है, 1, 2 and 3. Here comes another edge, here comes another and here comes another. So all these edges meets at a point is known as its vertex. Vertex is a singular form and vertices is the plural form of the vertex. So, we are done with the properties of 3D shape. Yes, students, volume find करने के लिए आपके पास उसकी कोई भी 3D shape होना जरूरी है. So, now let's move toward the next board. So, students, we have some common 3D shapes जिसके हम volume find out कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि हमारे पास cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone, ये हमारे पास common 3D shapes हैं. तो first of all we are going to discuss the properties of cube. Cube की shape वो है जैसा कि आपके सामने draw की गई है. Cube के पास 6 faces होते हैं. Exactly. Cube के पास जो 6 face होते हैं, 6 flat surfaces of square. Square आपकी properties आपको पता है, उसमें all sides are equal. तो यही है cube की भी जो square faces हैं, they all have all sides are equal. It has 12 edges. Exactly. हमने last board पे discuss किया था 12 edges. Edges means that where the two faces meet, they makes an edge. So it has 12 edge. You can see over here. This is one edge, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So if you're going to count them, they are all 12. And along with that, it has 8 vertices that if you're going to make the points, इनके corners को आप count कर लेंगे, it has 8 corners or vertices. All are square faces, जैसा कि हमने पहले discuss किया है, क्योंकि ये cube है, cube के अंदर 6 square sides होती हैं, तो 6 square flat sides का मतलब है कि उसमें जो हमारी face होंगे, they all will be square. Okay, now we are done with cube. Let's see the properties of a cuboid. You can see over here, cuboid की shape ऐसी होती है. It also have 6 faces, but इसमें हमारे पास 6 rectangular faces होते हैं. That's why we call it a cuboid. It has 12 edges. It has 8 vertices. So 12 edges में हमारे पास क्या होता है? 4 equal sides होते हैं और हमारे पास जो अदर 8 साइड्स होती हैं वो एक दूसरे के इक्वल होती हैं. So this is how we are going to differentiate between cuboid and a cube. Now if we take the example, daily example को अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ find out the daily examples, like आप whatever you use in your daily life, can you figure out any of the example of cube? Yes, आपके सामने जो आपका box होता है that is also a form of cube and it is also a 3D shape. If I ask you to find out any good example of cuboid in your daily life, so if you just look around, this board is also an example of a cuboid. Your cupboards, your suitcase and little drawers, they are also the example of cuboid. Now comes to the third 3D shape. It is a cylinder. Cylinder you can see over here, it also have 3 faces. किस तरह 3 face है? It has 2 circular face and 1 rectangular face, or you can say that it's a curved face. So it has 2 circular edges. That means edge इसकी क्या हुई? Edge का क्या मतलब है? जहाँ 2 face meet करते हैं. So इसकी कितनी edge हो गई? 2 edges, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 circular edge meet कर रही हैं एक rectangular पे. It does not have any vertex. Vertex means corners. It does not have any corners. Okay, now our next shape is cone. Cone has 2 faces. Exactly. एक है आपके पास flat circular face होती है और एक curved face होती है. And it does not have any vertex. Why? Because कोई भी face एक दूसरे के साथ meet नहीं कर रहे हैं and they are not forming any corner. Exactly. And it has 1 circular edge. For example, if I ask you to find out in your daily life any example related to cone, it can be a birthday cap or it can be the ice cream cone. And if I ask you to find out the examples related to cylinder, it can be your pens, your markers, they are all examples of the cylinder. So let's move toward the next board. So students, I hope आपको volume की definition समझ आ गई होगी. Volume क्या होता है? Volume is something or the objects occupy a space that makes a volume. Every 3D shape has its volume. और volume के लिए उसके लिए क्या चीजें होना जरूरी है? It should have its faces, edges and vertex. So इसका unit भी होता है volume का. Unit of volume, its standard unit is 1 cubic meter, जिसको हम 1 meter cube भी लिखते हैं, which I've written it like this, 1 meter cube. और smaller unit का, अगर आपके पास कोई smaller volume हो या smaller 3D shape हो, उसका unit हम कैसे find out करते हैं? 1 centimeter cube का. Liquid volumes are generally expressed in liters. Exactly, liquids की भी volume होती है and we expressed it in liters. So 1 liter equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. Exactly. आपके पास 1 लीटर में कितना वॉल्यूम होता है? 1000 cubic centimeter. So ये तो हो गए हमारी यूनिट्स की बात. Now we are going to find out the volume of a cube. A cube is a special cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal. Exactly. Cuboid में क्या होता है? Because it has all square sides, इसमें इसकी length, breadth और height equal होती हैं. तो for cube, length equals to breadth and breadth equals to height. तो volume of cube क्या बन गया हमारे पास? Length multiply by, because everything is equals to length, multiply by length. So this will be the formula for the volume of cube. So if I give you one example, that if you have cube, एक क्यूब है जिसकी आपके पास एक साइड गिवन है, या साइड की आप एक लेंथ कह लें, which is given to you 6 centimeter cube. So find its volume. So how you going to find it? You are going to multiply length times length times length. 6 times 6 times 6. So because it's a one side, so I'm going to just put 6 centimeter. If a cube side is given 6 centimeter, find its volume. So how are you going to find? 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 will be given to you 18, 19, 20, 21. So the answer will be 216 centimeter cube. I hope that you got this concept, because इसके centimeter भी, if I'm going to write centimeter, if you're going to multiply it, it will change into centimeter cube. So this is how you're going to find out the volume of a cube. Now we are going to find out the volume of a cuboid. So let's move toward the next board. Volume of a cuboid. If we are going to recall its properties, cuboid में we have 6 rectangular plane faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Exactly. It is not as same as the cube. it is little different. It has a rectangular faces. So इसका volume क्या होगा? We should have length multiply by breadth multiply by its height. So this is the formula for cuboid. The volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And if you are going to get a question related to the volume of cuboid, in that आपके पास तीनों चीजें given होगी और then you're going to multiply them and then you're going to find out the volume of a cuboid. So students, we are done with the introduction of the volume. In the next lecture, we are going to come up with lots of examples and we are going to solve the exercise question also. So keep practicing maths. Take care. Allah Hafiz.